Hi everybody. A very good evening to you guys. And I'm so happy that you guys have made time out of your busy schedule to be here. This is Mittywood Film Festival's live talk show, and I am your host Siddharthi Pandya. So for all of you, I would like to tell you that Mittywood Film Festival is an international intercollegiate film festival where we are trying to bridge the gap between industry professionals and aspiring industry professionals. So what we try to do is bring on a lot of celebrities, budding actors, actors who've done a lot of work, or even directors, producers, who give us these insights about the industry and bust a lot of myths for the students to understand, that what is actually going on in the industry. For example, like a lot of people think that the industry is not as inclusive, but of late, with the response we have had from you guys and the other celebrities who were here with us previously, we definitely love how inclusive and adorable you guys are. So
Thank you.
that's
Thank
absolutely,
you.
So much.
yes.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So, just a few things about Mittywood Film Festival. I would say that we have a lot of events, and we are having this festival on 30th and 31st of January. And I would absolutely love it if you guys can join that day as well. So,
Yes,
what we do
for
here
sure.
is we have contests, we have quizzes, we have workshops as well. And we are absolutely hoping to meet you offline, all of you, soon in our favorite auditorium at Michibai. So I hope that you guys are definitely, vibing with the entire event. Also, I
Yes.
have a
Yep.
surprise for you guys. I have a creative that has been prepared by my team for Life of Pi. So I'm just gonna add that as my background because I absolutely love how amazing the creative is. It's very it has a very go and vibe and it's very outgoing. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna add that as my virtual background and then we
Now
can
I'm
chit chat
very excited.
more.
Wow,
Oh,
this
Wow.
looks so
this is
great.
amazing.
There's another one.
Life
There's
of
another one. I'm just gonna add
Pi.
that. I think that will fit the frame better. Yeah. How's this? Is this good?
It's
Perfect.
looking
This is
amazing. Super
good.
cool.
So we have a
Awesome.
thing.
Namit,
Just do this.
Namit,
Just
Yeah, everyone
तुझे
do
तू है
this.
do
ना वो?
this.
Yeah.
Just do
Okay.
this, and we have this.
Okay.
Together.
Yeah.
All
Three,
right. All right.
two, one,
One,
Two,
go.
two.
one.
Go.
Whoa, nice.
Nice. You guys are such a
That's
cool
Namit in the
bunch.
background with the parachute.
Yeah. You guys are such a cool bunch and it's so lovely to be surrounded by people who are of the same age bracket and are doing so well in their personal and professional lives. So it's my absolute pleasure that we are hanging out today, and it's all because of Mittywood Film Festival that I have this opportunity to hang out with you guys. So thank you so much once again for being here.
Thank you so
Thank you
much for
so
having us.
much. We
Thank
are
you
so
for
glad.
having
Thank
us.
you.
Thank you.
For all those who will be watching this live, I want to tell them that this is an amazing upcoming web series known as Life of Five, who has been, yes, absolutely. What was that? How do you do it? Okay,
Life of
once more. Let's do that again. One,
one,
two,
two,
three.
Two.
and three.
Woo.
Absolutely wild. So, Life of Pi, directed by Sejal Somaiya and Sagar Madolkar, producers Navroz Prasla, Karishma Madolkar, and creative producer Sony Prasla. Not just that, we have our very amazing actors with us here today. We have Miss Sakshi as Miss Confused. We have Namit as Mr. Perfect. We have Ayush as Mr. Stud, and we have Devish as Lover Boy and Kushi as the Bombshell. And this amazing series is going to air on Hero Go TV. So all you guys watching, absolutely stay tuned in. You can go check them out on their Instagram profile or follow Life of Pi on Instagram.
Yay.
Yay!
Stay tuned, you all.
Absolutely. So now I think it's time to get to know our Life of Pi actors better. So I have a few general questions for you guys, which I want you guys to answer with as be as candid as you can. We want to know more about how our age bracket looks at the industry and how they vibe with it. So my first question I think would be that for all of you, how did you start your journey as an actor? Where did it begin? Was it school? Was it kindergarten? Was it college? So I think we can probably begin with Ayush. Ayush, would you like to answer the question?
Yeah, sure, sure. So it started in 2007. I was, it was my summer holidays. I am from Punjab, third standard summer holidays, and I was in a mall, Infinity Mall, and one casting director came to me and told me that you should try in this film industry, you should try in advertisements and all. So he gave me his number. I started going to auditions. I started auditioning, and it's been like 12, 13 years. I've done 350 plus ads and two, three shows for Disney Channel and bunch of daily soaps. And it's been an amazing journey. I've learned a lot from this film industry. बहुत crazy crazy चीजें की हैं and full fun journey रही है. बहुत चीजें सीखी हैं industry से. And yeah,
Good to know. Good to know. And I'm sure that all of you guys have an amazing portfolio. Thank you so much, Ayush, for introducing all your work to us. And we are so happy that you have been able to grow so exponentially in your journey. So I think I'll
thank you.
toss the question to one of the beautiful ladies here. I think we can ask Kushi. Kushi, would
Yeah.
you like to tell us about your journey?
Yeah, so my journey began when I was 4.5 years old. So I was at my home and my dad friend came home and he wanted talkative eyes for a whole day. He was like, she's got really photogenic face and everything, and I think she'll do great in media line. So I got my first photo shoot done at my home itself. Then my first project was the film Ankahi, directed by Vikram Bhatt. I was playing Aftab and Amisha Patel's daughter. Then I did this TV show called Nagin under the production of Aruna Irani, and that gave me a lot of fame. Everybody used to call me like Choti Nagin and all of that because obviously it was a fictitious show, so kids used to like it a lot, and it got a great fan base. After that, I did many serials, Celebrity Kids Championships, and Boogie Boogie, a lot of reality shows. Then I went on to do Bombay Talkies under the direction of Zoya Bhatt, Zoya Akhtar. And then she approached me while we were dubbing for that. She approached me for the film Dil Dhadakne Do. So she told me that I've got the script and there's a quirky character, a very nerdy girl, and I really want you to read it, and it's going to be shot in Europe on a cruise. So I was like, I was on top of the world. So I did Dil Dhadakne Do, that got a very ensemble cast, Ranveer Singh, Priyanka Chopra, and it was an amazing experience. We bonded like a family. And since I'm good in studies also, I've been the topper of my 10th standard. So I continued with study after that, studies, and right now I'm pursuing engineering. Then ma'am came up with this, Sagar sir and ma'am came up with this project of Life of Five. So I'm doing that right now, and it's been an amazing experience all throughout.
So good to know that. I think, like I said, all of you guys have such a wide portfolio, and it's so amazing to know that at our age you are doing so well, and we can only hope to join you guys someday. So I think I'll pop the question over to Devish. Devish, would you like to answer that?
Yeah. So I started my journey in 2011. I did my first show called Veera that was on Star Plus. That was a negative character, and I never knew that I would be part of this industry and I'll be acting. I used to travel from Surat and give auditions and just travel for 3 hours, just give auditions, then go back again, continue with my school, then come back again, give audition. So it was a difficult, it was struggle, but then I enjoyed it a lot. Then I did my second show, that was Mahabharat, that got aired on Star Plus, and then I did Hatim, Mahakum, Bandhan, Virus, Shali. So I've done a couple of shows, and yeah, now I'm doing Life of Five with my cool group, and yeah.
That's great. That's great. I think that you have highlighted, how exhausting it is to be an actor or a adolescent actor. I wouldn't say child actor, but adolescent actor,
Yeah.
who has to travel all day. And, Kushi highlighted how she had to continue her education as well. So I think that you guys are doing a commendable job by just being yourselves, coping up with your academics. Like Ayush said, he's in his third year. So that's absolutely remarkable. I think, Sakshi, like we would definitely want you to add on more to this and talk to us about your journey.
Yeah, sure. So actually, I this Life of I is my first project. So I'm like the newcomer, and I have just stepped in this industry. So there is no journey till now because I've just started. But I can say that I'm very much excited because there's so much to learn in this industry, and I'm so excited, and I'm so glad to to look for what is coming on the way, and I hope it goes well.
Absolutely. I think that Life of Pi seems like quite an interesting story, and we'll definitely get into that in the later section of this, panel discussion. And I'm sure it will definitely get you the fame and the recognition that you are looking for. And you're surrounded by this amazing team, who are quite experienced actors, and they seem very, very inclusive and sweet. I'm sure you've had a ball on the sets with them. So,
Exactly. I mean, this is my first project, plus with my best friends. So I don't think I could have asked for anything better than this.
that's great. That's great. So I will definitely be asking you guys about your offline relationship as well. So before that, I think Namit, I'll toss the question to you. Tell us more about your journey.
Okay, so मेरी जर्नी का स्टार्ट कुछ आयुष के जैसे ही था. मैं जस्ट नया फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में आया था स्कूल में, एंड हम लोग मॉल में थे. मैं मेरी पूरी फैमिली के साथ मॉल में था, और वो मॉल में स्टेज फंक्शंस होते हैं ना, पीपल आर डांसिंग, म्यूजिक इज गोइंग ऑन एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. So one of those functions were going on, and I participated in one of them in which kids had to dance and stuff. And I was dancing very nicely. I was always into dancing, and good expressions on my face. बचपन से एकदम फिल्मी. तो मतलब मैंने स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह वहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत जो करना था किया. I won also. And a casting director, a group of directors basically, they were planning to make an ad or something. It was an international ad. So I remember 2 foreigners and 3 Indians, they approached my parents and me if I wanted to go in the film industry, because they were making an ad for an HSBC commercial for UK. And they were like, your kid seems to be very, fun loving, अच्छा चेहरा. मॉम डैड ने पहले थोड़ा सोचा कि क्या करें, एंड देन दे वर लाइक ओके चलो एक बार ट्राई करने में क्या है. तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल एड था. My first project was an international project. I'm so happy. And मतलब वो वहाँ पे एयर हुआ, लेकिन I was like पर ये यहाँ तो टीवी में नहीं आ रहा, मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ करना है. मुझे यहाँ कुछ करना है. Then mom and dad were like, okay, थोड़ा excited हो रहा है यहाँ के लिए, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Then we made portfolios and stuff. I started giving more auditions. I got selected for another ad, and then I got my first show. तो फ्लूक में मैं शो के लिए वापस सिलेक्ट हो गया. मॉम ने बोला, मतलब उनका प्लान नहीं था मुझे ये लाइन में डालना, बट दे वर लाइक ओके चल ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. तो फिर एक शो ट्राई किया. देन आफ्टर ट्राइंग 2-3 shows I also got a movie called ब्रेक के बाद. तो मॉम ने ठीक है मूवी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. तो वैसे ही ट्राई करते गए. वैसे मैंने काफी शोज और मूवीज कर लिए. देन आई केम टू अ पॉइंट वेयर I did an ad for Lilliput Bicycles, which was produced by the same production house that produced Sweet Love of Karan and Kabir, my greatest hit. So वो ad के बाद मतलब सर ने, मतलब हमारे डायरेक्टर वसंत वालसन सर, he had already selected 2 kids for Karan and Kabir, but he was like, do you want to give a try to this? I was like, sure, why not? And then उन्होंने audition किया, and like coincidentally वहाँ पे वही audition पे मेरे जैसा दिखने वाला और एक बंदा आ गया. तो हम दोनों को उन्होंने साथ में ट्राई किया, and we were selected for Karan and Kabir. And वो तो जर्नी अलग ही है. मतलब like throughout my acting journey, that part of a journey is, the cherry on the top of the cake. Yeah, exactly. So मतलब फिर Karan and Kabir वो बहुत ज़्यादा hit हुआ. उसके बाद I did another show for Disney. Then I did another movie, and then I ended up doing Life of Pi. So basically what happened is last year on my birthday हम लोग ऐसे ही बैठे थे, and इन्होंने बोला तुम पांचों की केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी है, let's do something with you 5 together, this that. तो ऐसे करके भी लाइक ओके ठीक है. तो फिर वहां पे बात हुई, फिर ये मतलब आगे बढ़ा ही नहीं है. फिर इस साल मेरे बर्थडे पे वापस माम का कॉल आता है, नमित टुमारो कम टू द ऑफिस, वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग. एंड मैं पहुंचा, मेरे साथ बात हुई, उसके बाद देवेश भी पहुंचा, फिर साक्षी पहुंची, फिर आयुष पहुंचा, फिर खुशी पहुंची, हमारे सबके साथ, मतलब हमारे सामने स्क्रिप्ट रेडी थी, वी आर मेकिंग दिस विद यू गाइस, एंड वी वर लाइक व्हाट, दिस इज ग्रेट। आई मीन लाइक इट वाज ऑलवेज, मैं और देवेश की तो हमारी तो हमेशा बातें रहती थी कि यू नो लाइक अपन एक बार साथ में काम करते हैं देवेश, यू नो केमिस्ट्री भी अच्छा, तू विलन मैं हीरो, या मैं विलन तू हीरो, या दोनों विलन, व्हाटएवर, एक बार साथ में काम कर रहा है। एंड अचानक से मतलब मैम ने ये सामने लाके रख दिया, वी वर लाइक अरे यार दिस इज ग्रेट। देवेश व्हाट डू यू से ब्रो?
It's all
It's
about
all
destiny.
about destiny. एक साल अमित के बर्थडे पे जो प्लान हुआ वो नेक्स्ट ईयर हमने किया, एंड या हियर वी आर। वो आपको लाइफ ऑफ फाइव देखने के बाद पता चलेगा कि हमने कितने मजे किए एंड कितनी अच्छी सीरीज बनी है।
I'm sure
इन
काफी
शॉर्ट
मजा
एक
आने
और
वाला
चीज
है।
पता चली, जो भी लाइव देख रहा है, अगर आपको ये इंडस्ट्री में आना है, आयुष और नमित की तरह इन्फिनिटी मॉल में जाके घूमो, आना पा जाओगे।
Absolutely, absolutely. The secret to
Joking,
success
it's
in
difficult.
adolescent acting is like absolutely hanging out at malls and putting yourself out there and being
But it's not
as
that easy.
absolutely not. Of course, there are like hundreds of people, and being selected from a crowd is a very big achievement in itself. So kudos to all
Absolutely.
of you who have gotten through the entire crowd and managed to be the faces of all us teens now. And for all you guys watching, I think that the best thing that Namit has told us so far is be the most and you be an enthu cutlet. Like the enthusiasm with which he has answered the question and given us insights is like absolutely tells us how out there he is and how he wants to always you know uh, take the shot. So for all of you watching, always put yourself out there. So I think that this question went really well, and it was very, very humbling to know your experiences, right from the exhaustion to the academics to the opportunities that were presented to you. And for Sakshi, her first project, we wish you the best of luck, and we're so happy that you're here with us today.
Thank you.
So, of course, I think that now my second question would very obviously be like, what was the most memorable part of this journey, apart from, of course, shooting for Life of Pi? I am sure there must have been one, like, Namit mentioned that Karan and Kabir was his, favorite bit. Maybe there's more. So, tell us. Maybe I think Devish can start.
Okay, so
we
Veera was my first show, and I was playing a negative role, and I had no clue about acting. So बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट था कि मतलब आप इतना स्वीट हो और काटू आपको नेगेटिव एक्ट करना है, आपको लोगों को परेशान करना है। मतलब मैं उसको परेशान कर रहा हूँ, आई एम स्मोकिंग, छोटा सा 11 साल का बच्चा स्मोक कर रहा है एंड बहुत मस्ती कर रहा है। तो मतलब वो सारी चीजें मैंने नॉर्मल लाइफ में नहीं की, लेकिन मैंने ऑन स्क्रीन कर ली, तो मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, बहुत सी नई चीजें सीखी, लोगों को परेशान करना सीखा। एंड काफी इंस्टेंसेस है, काफी इंजॉय किया, काफी सेट पे बहुत इंजॉय किया, दैट्स इट।
That's great. I think, Sakshi, maybe I'll toss the question to you. It might be your first project, but I'm sure you were active in school with your co-curriculars or something. So tell us a memorable, event from school that inspired you to take this up as well.
Not only about school, but I'll tell you, because since my dad is an ace choreographer in this industry, plus he directed Life of Five as well. So, mere journey ka memory I can't say because it just started, but I have seen my dad working and going on sets and everything. So I have always observed him, how he works, and I think because of my dad, I'm addicted towards this industry. And yes, that's how it has started.
That is so sweet. I think that, you giving the credit to your dad and, addressing his journey and, taking towards his footsteps is absolutely amazing. So I think now maybe Ayush, you could tell us about a few memorable, events from the journey.
Where do I start? A lot of memories I've made from my first ad till now till Life of Pi.
Mhm.
I still remember मुझे interest कब हो गया था बहुत ज़्यादा इस industry से. I did my first ad for Candyman Choco Double Eclairs. It's for eclairs, and the pamper I got on set. I was like बहुत गोलू मोलू सा था. Everybody used to come to me, hey, गोलू गोलू and all. And वो जैसे ही वो पैम्पर जो सेट पे जो सब यू नो मुझे पानी पीना है तो कैसे भाग के आता है, धूप होती है तो अम्ब्रेला आ जाती है. तो आई गेस वो मुझे इतना इंटरेस्ट लाइक इतना अच्छा लगा सेट पे. एंड देन मेरा इंटरेस्ट इतना जाग गया तो मैंने मेरी मॉम को बोला, मॉम कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे बस इस इंडस्ट्री में ही काम करना है. सी मेरी मॉम ने ये हार्ड डिसीजन लिया. फ्रॉम पंजाब मेरा स्कूल वहां से शिफ्ट करके यहाँ मुंबई में. एंड मुंबई में आई स्टार्टेड स्ट्रगलिंग ऑडिशंस एवरी डे. आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर लाइक 3-4 ऑडिशंस दिए. देन घर पे स्कूल के बाद ऑडिशन के बाद घर पे आके सो जाना. सो मैं एटलीस्ट फॉर लाइक 3-4 इयर्स मेरी ये जर्नी यही रही है. स्कूल ऑडिशंस होम स्लीप, स्कूल ऑडिशन होम स्लीप. सो एक मेमोरेबल मोमेंट है. मुझे सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ ऐड करने में बहुत मजा आता है. एंड आई स्टिल सीक फॉर ऑडिशंस. अगर विराट कोहली का कोई ऐड है लाइक बूस्ट और कोलगेट सुपरफ्लेक्स समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो वो ऑडिशन पे आई हैव टू किल इट. मुझे कैसे भी करके वो ऐड करना है. So this moment is from Boost. I did with Virat Kohli in 2017. He's also Punjabi and I'm also Punjabi. And set पे बहुत like उनका nature बहुत अच्छा है. विराट कोहली is like the best. I guess अभी तक मैं विराट कोहली and I've also done ad with रोहित शर्मा. तो विराट कोहली के साथ बहुत मजा आया शूट करने में. उनका लाइक पंजाबी है तो पंजाबी आपस में पंजाबी बात करते हैं सेट पे. तो हम लोग ने अपना लंच वहाँ पे साथ में किया. एंड मैंने आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर मैंने पंजाबी में उन्हें एक चीज बोली थी कि पाजी एक बारी और मिलना है. एंड exactly after 7-8 months I was doing Colgate Superflexi with him. So I guess that was like one of my most memorable moments from my experience so far.
क्या बात है. I think that you also highlighted again the exhaustion that you have to go through as a child to completely become a part of the industry. And that's amazing. I think hearing your stories, I'm sure you guys are inspiring a lot of people to get into this industry and try their best at giving it a shot. So Kushi, you tell us, how was your journey? Like, what is the most memorable part of it?
मेरी memorable parts बहुत सारे हैं. Okay, there was this one instance when I'd gone to Saregama as a celebrity guest, and at that time I was doing Nagini. So then I came outside, and everybody just crowded around, and itna crowd ho gaya कि my dad picked me up on his shoulders, and he was like, I was so tiny, he was carrying me on his shoulders and with a piggy bank, and I was waving, I was doing hi and everything. So that was one instance that was really memorable. Then police and everyone, security and everyone came, and फिर भी मैं autograph देने में लगी हुई थी because I was, over the top. And apart from that, once what happened, मैं अपने sets पे थी और एक बच्चा आया और उसको मुझसे मिलना था. So अब नागिन में तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखाते थे कि इच्छाधारी नागिन and all of that. So he was very scared to even shake hands with me. So then finally उसको मेरे से मिलाया and उसके साथ फोटो वोटो ली. And ऐसे ही शूट करते समय मुझे याद है I was delivering my dialogue and मेरी मोजड़ी के ऊपर से स्नेक चला गया था. तो मेरे साथ तो hilarious moments हुए हैं. Yeah, and there were many. पर हम एयरपोर्ट पे थे and air hostesses ऐसे टॉपी वॉपी देके they used to take me to the behind end, and they used to talk कि we really like your work and everything, और ये सब chocolates देते रहते थे, ये सब होता था. And a fan from Israel had come, and उसने मेरे को एक बड़ा सा 6 feet का टेडी दिया था. And जब मैं एक रियलिटी शो कर रही थी तो उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि हाँ आई वाज डूइंग छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. So in that, मेरी कुछ judges से कुछ कहा सुनी होगी. My mom was crying a lot, and we like everybody was very tense and everything. So I got call from that Israel वाला बंदा कि क्या हुआ, are you okay? Is everyone okay? तो ये सब हो रहा था. So yeah, I've had a lot of memories that way.
That is so sweet. I think you guys are like the most adorable bunch. And the memories that you have shared about your childhood and the way you guys have transformed, I think it's absolutely heartwarming to understand that. So I think Namit, I would definitely toss the question to you now. Tell us a lot more about your favorite memory of your journey.
Namit, Mike.
Yes. So okay, so I have done a film called Main Krishna Hu, where I played Krishna. It was just like my friend Ganesha, but with Lord Krishna this time. And our producer Nandan Mato and my director Rajiv Ruya, both of them at the audition asked me who's my favorite actor. And I said Hrithik Roshan because of course he is my favorite actor and I love him. तो तो मतलब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे एक दिन अचानक से like on the 15th or the 16th day of the shoot बोला था कि मतलब स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है आज कुछ और करेंगे and I was like क्या अरे तो मतलब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दी उसमें मतलब ऐसे सरप्राइज लिखा था और फिर नीचे डायलॉग्स लिखे थे फिर मेरा डायलॉग फिर नीचे वापस सरप्राइज लिखा था और फिर उनके डायलॉग्स लिखे थे तो मैं सेट पे पहुंचा वो स्क्रिप्ट करके थोड़ा बहुत उन्होंने जो मतलब वहां पे पहुंचने के बाद दिया वो एंड जैसे ही सेट पे गया Hrithik Sir was standing right in front of me. I was like, oh shit, what? I had a scene with Hrithik Roshan, my idol, my everything. I mean, his dance, his physique, his acting, everything is amazing. And I was such a huge fan of his. And you know, he was standing right in front of me. For like 5-10 minutes, I was just standing straight. As मतलब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा था. I was able to hear my heartbeat. I was. See, right now when I'm saying it also, I'm so excited because you know I still cannot imagine that happened with me in my life. Hrithik Sir was standing right in front of me. I did a scene with him. I also you know saw his abs, his body. I had lunch with him. I spent that whole day with him. To be very honest, he was actually a surprise for me. And he was very excited to meet me too. He was like Nandan's producer was once his assistant. And then he you know like went for a film and उन्होंने ऋतिक सर को बोला ऐसा ऐसा है उन्होंने मेरा vlog देखा and he was also so excited to see me and we also danced together we partied we had dinner together we stayed together everything so it was fun I mean like out of everything I have done meeting Hrithik sir was like the best part.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I think that you guys have very much highlighted how the industry has these amazing goodies and surprises for all, teen actors and child actors out there. And I'm pretty sure that very much inspires a lot of them watching here. They should definitely try or maybe get their siblings to try if they can, to act and to participate. So good luck to all of you with your future endeavors ahead. And I'll toss a few more questions. Let's see how you guys are vibing with that. I think this is one question which I like to ask all actors is that if you weren't an actor, what would you be? Who's going to
If
go
you-
first?
Software engineer.
Okay.
Automobile engineer.
Okay.
If I wasn't an actor, I would have been a software engineer, like I said, or maybe a singer or something.
Oh, do you sing, Khushi?
Yeah, Khushi
It's
sings
like
very well.
hobby.
Okay. What about Sakshi?
This is like you're asking me about my plan B. So I don't have a plan B because I'm very much sure about my plan A. Okay, but anyways, if I wasn't an actor, nahi, so definitely something from the film industry only. Like I think a dance choreographer or a singer.
Okay. So both the ladies here are amazing. Like,
Yeah.
you guys are graceful. You guys
Yeah,
sing,
yeah.
you guys dance. Okay. What about you, Devish?
I don't think so. I can't imagine that, but maybe a director because I want to be an actor director. So yeah.
So I think कि performing arts का कीड़ा सभी में है वो
सभी
निकलेगा
में
नहीं.
है
नहीं
नहीं
निकलेगा.
निकलेगा
बहुत ज्यादा है.
Absolutely. So I think Khushi and Sakshi, why don't you guys sing a little bit for us? You guys have already
come
told
on.
me your hobbies.
Yeah.
कुछ गा के सुना दो थोड़ा सा.
Oh, by
कुछ
the way,
रोमांटिक ताकि मैं और नमित सालसा
Come on.
करते हैं.
by the way, साक्षी ने हमारे वेब
कुछ
सीरीज में
रोमांटिक
गाना
ताकि
गाया है.
Yeah, I have also sang a song for the web series as well.
Multi-talented.
That's amazing. So you guys are giving us these secret bits about Life of Pi that not everybody will know. This is some exclusive information. Thank you so much.
Only on Mickey Wood Film Festival live.
Absolutely, absolutely. So Sakshi, I think we'll give you the floor and then we can have Khushi a little bit of anything for us.
All right. So since this is about Life of Five and friendship, I'm gonna sing a song related to that. Okay. तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू जो छूटा you guys are dancing, कौन हंसेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं.
Yay!
For all my study buddies.
So good, so good. I can see Devish running behind Ayush and going back.
We all are actually.
So before we go ahead, I think Khushi, now it's your turn to sing a little bit for us.
Okay, I'll sing randomly. Okay, I'll sing Tinka Tinka. Tinka Tinka जरा जरा रोशनी से जैसे भरा, तिनका तिनका जरा जरा रोशनी से जैसे भरा, हर दिल में अरमां होते तो है, हर दिल में अरमां होते तो है, बस कोई समझे जरा, तिनका तिनका जरा जरा है रोशनी से जैसे भरा. Thank you.
Yay.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Both of you guys are absolutely amazing singers. And we definitely wish that कभी offline मुलाकात हो जाए तो यहाँ पे सालसा और वहाँ पे थोड़ा
Done for sure.
Done.
Do you have a secret hobby or a talent, Ayush?
Oh, he is a very good dancer. वो बोलेगा नहीं, लेकिन वो
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा नाचता है.
He's a very good dancer.
He's a very good dancer.
क्या
Yeah,
बात है,
Done
क्या बात
talking
है.
popping.
नहीं, इसके
अब
लिए
अगर
तो
ये लोग
लगता है
पूरे
कि
तो
हाँ, कहिए
या डांसिंग मुझे तो नहीं लगता, मैंने अभी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अच्छे से नहीं आती है, बट दीस गाइस
अच्छा.
अच्छे से.
इसका सबसे बड़ा flex, if you ask him ना, he'll just remove his t-shirt and he'll be like this. Yeah. So obsessed with his wings and biceps and all that stuff. He started doing push-ups. If you ask him his biggest flex.
Ayush, stop being so modest. Come on, I think that if
Before
there's
Every scene he used to be like, bro, 2 minute में push-ups करके आता हूँ.
Literally for one scene he pumped up his muscles बहुत सारे push-ups करके 2 मिनट पहले.
wow, क्या डायनामिक डेडिकेशन है बिल्कुल, मतलब करके भी पुशअप, क्या बात है. अच्छा, आई थिंक कि आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि अभी सबका ही फिटनेस रेजिम होगा कुछ ना कुछ, तो थोड़ा उसके बारे में भी बता दो आप. अभी आयुष सर का तो पता ही चल गया है, आप सबने बता दिया है. so
देविश के भी अच्छे हैं. हाँ, देविश की चेस अच्छी है.
मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, सॉरी. क्या ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I try my best to be
नमन
attentive and do my workout every day. But like I used to do gymnastics before this COVID thing.
I'll start that again. So yeah.
that's great. I
नमित
think
तो is the most powerful. हम सब पांचों में नमित सबसे ज्यादा powerful है. इसने बता रहा हूँ, नमित ने मुझे पिक किया है, नमित ने खुशी को पिक किया है, नमित ने साक्षी को पिक किया है, नमित ने देवेश को भी पिक किया है।
मेरे को ये पिक करके पानी में कूदा है, इसको हर किसी को उठाने का काम दिया गया था।
नो स्पॉयलर्स।
नो स्पॉयलर्स।
बट
खुशी क्या कर रही है?
But talking about fitness,
नमित की फिटनेस सेट पे ही हो जाती थी, वो सबको उठा के कहीं ना कहीं ड्रॉप पिकअप चलता रहता था,
So उसकी
फिटनेस
fitness
सेट पे ही हो जाती थी।
आप लाइफ ऑफ फाइव में बहुत देखोगे, मैंने आयुष को उठाया है, उसके पीछे देवेश भी है ऊपर।
अरे बाप रे। So basically you were just deadlifting humans for like reckless
Yeah.
I guess. That's
So,
great, that's great.
Yeah, my gym schedule looks something like this. So I wake up at 4:45 in the morning. Finally, I wake up at 5, and then I make a cup of black coffee. And black coffee के साथ 2-3 bananas. And then I go to the gym. 5:30 मैं अपने क्लब पहुंच जाता हूँ. वहाँ पे पहले जॉगिंग ट्रैक में आधा घंटा मैं भागता हूँ, मैं थोड़े कार्डियो एक्सरसाइजेस करता हूँ. उसके बाद 6 o'clock I hit the gym. 6 o'clock to 7:30, 7:45 I do my gym. I come home, I eat my breakfast, and then 1 घंटा सो के फिर 1-2 घंटा आराम से नींद लेता हूँ, because like rest is important for your muscles. And then again, you know, I start with some books तो नहीं, books क्यों बोल रहे हो? Some film or some you know web series or anything like that.
That's nice. I think that it's a very extensive workout. You wouldn't be surprised if we randomly see you like at a sports tournament, because like that's hardcore training, I would say.
So I was a lot into swimming. Okay, I used to swim a lot. I used to do like 2 sets of 2 kilometers in swimming, and I used to enjoy it a lot. लेकिन फिलहाल swimming pool बंद है मेरा.
That's very, very unfortunate for all the water babies. It's just
I know.
dreadful. Like they had. It's sad. It's sad. Definitely, definitely. Let's hope that all of us are, we stay safe and things improve, and we have more opportunities to jump into pools as our regular workouts.
Yeah, so talking about workouts, when I met the directors, they asked me to lose 5 kg in 1 month for the requirement. So before that, I never used to go to gym. I used to just dance because that used to be my workout. So
Right.
I started gymming 1 month before the shoot because I was supposed to lose 5 kgs. And then that's how I got that into my schedule. So regular workout, that's it.
That's good. Yeah, I think that you got introduced to fitness through the industry as well. So
Yeah, and
that's
she
good.
actually lost like 3, 4, 5 kg something, I guess.
Yeah,
She actually
I
lost a
did.
lot of weight.
That's good. That's good. I mean, as far as it's about your fitness, you go, girl. I mean, get the pounds down if you like. Kushi, you tell us, like, what's your vibe with workouts?
Yeah, so for me, I wasn't ever gymming or something. Gym with nahi gayi main kabhi. But I used to, like Sakshi said, I used to dance a lot because it's not monotonous, it's not boring, and I love dancing as a hobby. Sometimes I used to do yoga. बीच में मम्मा पीछे पड़ी थी yoga. तो yoga किया था थोड़ा. Then after we got this project Life of Fire, so I started doing a little bit of gymming. And hobby, I was trying to maintain very much regular, so that I get, because मुझे बोला गया था कि you need to have very flat stomach and just tone yourself a little bit and maintain. तो वो किया मैंने थोड़ा बहुत, and I think diet is very important. So मैंने अपनी diet काफी improve कर दी थी. I was having more of protein and everything. So yeah, this is what I did for my fitness.
That's good. I think
वैसे-
yoga is important, when it comes to, wellness and mindfulness. So Ayush, you also tell us a little bit, what's your like proper schedule? Like we know you dance.
मेरा
a lot.
like मैं तो पंजाबी हूँ, तो पंजाबी से आराम से उठने का, मस्त परांठे डालने का, अंदर देखने, फुल एंजॉय, कोई टेंशन नहीं. मेरी मॉर्निंग हो जाती है अराउंड 8 उठते ही, एयरपोर्ट्स डाले कान में, लेक्चर्स ऑन किए, वॉक पे निकल गया. वॉक पे आई प्रेफर लाइक आफ्टर फिनिशिंग माय वॉक नारियल पानी के बाद घर पे आके आई मेक बनाना मिल्क शेक. उसके बाद प्रॉपर ब्रेकफास्ट करके आई गो टू जिम. I have to gain muscles, तो मैं exercise थोड़ी कम करता हूँ, intense करता हूँ. Weight lifting like weight ज़्यादा, reps कम, but exercise like 45 minutes, not more than that. तो exercise कम but खाना ज़्यादा because I have to gain muscle ना उसके and उसके बाद कुछ if you have some audition or something अभी तो because of lockdown we are recording from home तो कुछ audition हुआ तो all but I like Call of Duty. It's an online game, mobile game, and I like play. I have a YouTube account for that also. I'm kind of addicted to that game, and I have also played professionally for Call of Duty. It's for a team named Initiative Esports. I played for 3-4 months in during lockdown professionally for that team, and yeah, I enjoy playing that game a lot. I've spent a lot of money on that game, probably around 50,000-60,000.
Wow, that's like a huge commitment to esports. I
So
mean,
game is like yes esports. So gaming is like every day एक या दो games तो खेल के ना mind fresh हो जाता है full set. And I have
बिल्कुल
made a lot
बिल्कुल.
of friends through gaming. And Mortal, Scout, Dynamo.
Right.
I've played with them on stream. So I've
Oh,
made
that's
a lot of
amazing.
friends through gaming also.
Okay, so I think that your favorite genre would be like first-person shooter, or do you like dabble into like other games as well? Like what's
This
I
is
like
nothing. वहाँ पे set पे like for 3 to 4 days Ayush was so depressed. Me and Davis we were like इसको कुछ हो गया है क्या, इसका किसी के साथ कुछ पंगा हुआ, मतलब एक्टिंग भी ठीक कर रहा है, मतलब ये हो क्या रहा है. फिर हमने फाइनली एक दिन जाके उसको पूछा भाई तेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, देख तेरी एक्टिंग पे कुछ असर नहीं कर रहा लेकिन तेरे नॉर्मल लाइफ पे बहुत ज्यादा असर कर रहा है, तू बोल क्या हो रहा है. ब्रो बहुत टाइम हो गया सीओडी नहीं खेला यार. अरे यार ये क्या होता है, सीओडी नहीं खेला तूने, मतलब 3-4 दिन से ऐसे ही बैठा है, नहीं कुछ बोल रहा है. आयुष पीता है, नहीं तुम लोग खाओ यार. आयुष खेलेगा हम लोग के साथ, नहीं यार तुम लोग करो यार. आयुष चल स्विम करने जाते हैं सी में, नहीं यार तुम लोग जाओ, मैं नहीं. अरे क्या हो क्या रहा है इसको, कौन सीओडी नहीं खेला.
No, but he actually plays very nice. मैंने देखा है उसे खेलते हुए. I felt like such a noob in front of him.
I played with 4 fingers.
Yeah.
Flexing.
क्या बात है. I think so he gets his daily dose of adrenaline not from coffee but from COD, which is good, I guess. Good for you. No caffeine, all COD. So that's great. Good to know you guys and get to know so much about your personal lives. I think now we can definitely start talking about Life of Pi, because all of us watching here are very very excited to know what is this entire series about. And the way you guys have been introduced on Instagram, I think that's amazing graphics. It's so attractive, and the hype is so high. We just absolutely want to know, like, when you say don't give out spoilers, I was like, shit, they caught her. We should have gotten more spoilers. We need them. So give us as many spoilers as you like. This is some exclusive premium content only available on Multiverse Film Festival Live Talk
Okay,
Show.
I'll start now.
Yes.
It's
Give us.
about 5 friends.
Good one boy.
One more thing I would like to add.
It's about 5 friends.
One more thing I would like to add. The name of the series.
The man himself.
The man behind the name of the series.
Yeah.
Ayush Narang.
क्या बात है. You guys coined the name as well.
Yeah.
That's quite cool.
We all were given a task to search a name for all 5 of us, and I gave like 5 to 6 names, but उसके बाद 7th name I guess finalized हुआ था, Life of Pi.
So Lucky Number 7 and Life of Pi is
Yes.
now going to air soon on Hero Go TV. So for all of you guys watching,
Yup.
absolutely stay tuned on Hero Go TV's page and Life of 5 page. You can see the amazing posts about the director, the producer, all our lovely actors sitting here with us. So go check them out on Instagram, and I'm sure that we'll have a lot of trailers and a lot of spoofs that you guys are going to put out for us to watch, and we absolutely can't do it.
I think the best part about Life of 5 is that since every character represents some or the other person, the youth especially will relate to any one of the characters for sure. And it's very fresh, it's very exciting, it's very thrilling. And we really hope you like it because we put up so much hard work into it. For me personally, so I won't disclose anything, but one of my biggest fears that I've handled that throughout the series, and I really hope कि जितना भी मेहनत सबने किया है वो translate हो screen पे.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure,
so
sure.
Life of Pi is
very
all
good
and a
about
very big
love, friendship, and twist.
news is we are coming up with our first song on 14th because it's Valentine's Day. So yeah.
That's great. I think we're gonna keep the hype super high with that. And I
Yeah,
was
for
just
sure.
about to say, Khushi,
For
that
sure.
the series that you have come up with absolutely caters to the dynamic demographic. I'm sure that all of us college going students and all the teens are going to love it. We're gonna follow you guys till the end of your storyline, and we'll keep hoping that we have seasons after seasons after seasons to watch you guys on the screen. So now I'll ask you a few questions about Life of Pi. मतलब मुझे ये जानना है कि as actors, what caught your attention in the script or the storyline, however you want to put it?
See, okay, to be very honest, storyline तो मतलब अच्छा ही था, cause हम पांचों जा रहे हैं बाहर, सारा ड्रामा हो रहा है, थ्रिलर है, रोमांस है, मजा है, everything is there. But like the best part was we were doing it with, it was a family together doing it. I mean, Sagar sir, Karishma ma'am, me, Devis, Sakshi, Khushi, Ayush, all of us, to be very honest, are a family. We have always been like a family. We know each other from like 3 to 4 years now. And Ayush to I know from last 8 years because we go long back. Karna Kabir किया था. तो यही था कि मतलब हम पांचों को तो एक बार साथ में काम करना ही था. It was like stories based on 5 friends. And like you, I don't think if the group of friends was as good as we are, to be very honest. Me, Devis, Sakshi, Kushi, Ayush, we have a very good bonding, and we are really good together. We go really, really well together. And मतलब पूरा chemistry set था, इससे अच्छा product बन ही नहीं सकता. अगर इन लोगों ने audition किया होता और दूसरे cast आते, तो जो मजा हमने किया है ना, जो आपको मजा आने वाला है ना देख के, वो शायद नहीं आया. To be very honest, like this was the only thing कि हम सब साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. It's family also. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be Goa. It's gonna be everything. Everything that a person desires. It was shooting and fun both together. इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए?
Yeah, very true. Even I didn't feel like कि हम लोग कोई shoot पे गए थे set पे, because Goa is firstly my hometown. Secondly, the cast is like my best friend. So it was actually like I was going with my best friends to Goa and Goa trip. So yeah, like that. It was not घर वाली feeling थी सबके साथ.
It was like a vacation rather. हमें जो बताया गया we going to Goa. So I remember Navit telling me, हाँ गोवा जाके आते हैं ना हम वहाँ पे मस्ती करेंगे ये वो. So it was very like we were bonded very well, and everything that came on screen was very much natural.
Yeah, I think that's an absolute dream project for all of you. Yes, Devish.
So I was the one जिसको सबसे पहले story सुनाई गई थी. मेरे को रात को मैम का call आया around 12 o'clock and she was like, अच्छा सुन हम ना एक series plan कर रहे हैं. So कल office में आ सकते हो meeting के लिए story सुनाने. I was like, okay. मैंने आते ही पूछा कि cast कुछ भी story हो ये करनी है. But then मेरे को जैसे जैसे story narrate किया, I was like, shit, this is a crazy project. एंड ये मना कर ही नहीं सकता. लाइक इनफैक्ट हमारे ग्रुप में से कोई भी मना नहीं कर सकता था. पहली बात रोड ट्रिप, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, गोवा, फैमिली के साथ शूट कर रहे, वो फीलिंग कहीं नहीं मिलेगी आपको, बट हम सबको वो इधर मिली. एंड या आपको दिख जाएगा सीरीज हमने कितना एंजॉय किया.
Yeah, also talking about the storyline, something that attracted me was since it's my first project, so as an actor I got to I got that freedom to play a lot of emotions, because there was friendship, there was confusion, heartbreak, connection with each of every one of them. So like storyline maybe that is something that attracted me the most.
क्या बात है. I think, like I said, it's pretty much like a dream project for every actor, कि five friends meet and you do an entire show. Like, this is very Enid Blyton. Like, you can only, like, we've only read this in books so far, but finally we're gonna be able to watch it, and it's absolutely great. We found out that you guys are also friends in real life.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like you guys highlighted abhi, so we are thrilled to hear that. And बस अब जल्दी यार लेके आओ अब यहाँ.
सबर
सबर
का
का
फल
फल
मीठा
मीठा
होता
होता
है,
है,
so
so
we
we
have
have
to
to
wait.
Yes.
और ये तो काफी चटपटा है, मीठा भी नहीं है.
तो
थोड़े
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 टाइम
टाइम
में
में
थोड़े
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 छोटे
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 गुड
गुड
न्यूज
न्यूज
देते
देते
रहेंगे
रहेंगे
हम.
हम.
हाँ.
Yes, please. We are absolutely engaged in the entire storyline now. Until now, we had like a vague idea कि क्या है. There was so much suspense, but अब हमें पता चल रहा है कि it's going to be a very engaging story. And what an opportunity for us to watch you live and vulnerable in your personal relationships, but on screen, along with the storyline, of course, that came along. So that's absolutely amazing. तो इसी बात पे आई थिंक मुझे आपको ये पूछना चाहिए कि हर कैरेक्टर का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है. जैसे कि एवरी कैरेक्टर हैज दिस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेट जिसके हिसाब से दे हैव बीन इंट्रोड्यूस, लाइक मिस बॉम्बशेल, मिस्टर स्टड. तो ये क्या, इसका क्या कैरेक्टर आर्क है, मतलब विदाउट एनी क्या है स्पॉयलर्स, हमें अगर आप कुछ बता सकते हैं तो मजा आ जाएगा.
See, for me,
So
it
basically,
was so natural. See, series में I'm the stud, the chick magnet. So for me it was so natural. तो मुझे कुछ ज्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ा उसके लिए. मुझे बस यही बोला गया था कि आयुष, तू जो है, जैसा है, तेरी स्टोरी है, वैसा ही है. चिल मार, मस्त, जो तेरे को डायलॉग्स मिले अपने जोन में रह के बोल. खत्म. अब जैसे मैं अभी एक्ट कर रहा हूँ, यही मैं हूँ और यही मेरा कैरेक्टर. इससे ज्यादा स्पॉइलर मैं दे नहीं सकता.
so it's
आयुष
Life
का तो
of
क्या है,
Pi
बस
and
विंग्स फ्लेक्स कर लो, आ गई लड़की बस. हाँ, यही उसका रोल है.
correct. So since it's Life of 5, so you can't even imagine कि आप एक को निकाल दो या फिर everyone, मतलब हम एक दूसरे के बिना we are incomplete. So that is how strong our friendship is in the story as well as in real life.
Yeah, the series itself, the title itself says that you will get to know from this perspective of each and every character. And some people are chirpy, some people are nerdy, somebody is very introvert. You have different personalities in a group, and that is what those hashtags denote. And if I start telling everything about the hashtag, then you'll get to know more about it. But yeah, all the kinds of people you've seen, we've tried to inculcate all the emotions.
That's great. I think for all the guys watching here जिनसे बिल्कुल रहा नहीं जा रहा है, जरा जाके hashtags को stalk करिए Life of Pi के पेज पे, शायद कोई क्लू मिल जाए. तो stay tuned. I think that all of us should definitely keep stalking you guys on Life of Pi का पेज, because काफी चीजें धीरे धीरे वहाँ पे पता चल रही हैं. तो और कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप लोग ये पूरे जो सीरीज का कैरेक्टर आर्क है या स्टोरी आर्क है. हाँ, I think what would be better to ask you is कि ऐसा क्या एक typical trait है apart from what you guys have been introduced as, which your character has?
I think our character is so relatable. It's so difficult to think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Fair enough. I think that you
ये
guys
स्पॉइलर हो
are
जाएगा, बहुत ज्यादा हो
बहुत
जाएगा. ये तो
secretive हैं
क्लाइमैक्स का
आप.
स्पॉइलर.
That's
I was
what
thinking
I was
without
thinking
giving
without
spoilers,
giving
ये
बहुत
spoilers, बहुत
difficult है
difficult है बताना.
That's what I said कि काफी secretive हैं आप guys, मतलब आप सभी.
बिकॉज जो क्लाइमैक्स है, जो फाइनल एपिसोड है, वो बहुत क्रेजी है. एंड वहीं पे यू विल सी द एक्चुअल जो होगा ना, क्लाइमैक्स होता है ना क्रेजी वाला,
Cliffhanger.
वो अगर मैं उसके बारे में कुछ बोल दूंगा तो समझ आ जाएगा. तो
Yeah, what is that one trait that every actor should possess? It could be a
Okay.
trait, it could be a skill, anything.
I guess
Something
never
that you
giving
love.
up.
Sorry.
Never giving up. Keep
according
trying.
to me, I think getting into the shoes of another person, and leaving yourself behind is something not everybody can do. So I think that's the best trait an actor can have. And because when you're supposed to when we say that you have to give justice to a role, that means you have to leave yourself behind and you have to think and imagine your life as that person. So if you're able to do that, and you are able to understand what that person will do, then you are doing justice to your character.
Yeah, and I think observation and then learning, that is very important, because आप जहाँ पे भी हो, even when you're on set, you're off screen or you're on screen, you have to observe every little thing, and then that's how you learn, and वो चीज़ आपको हमेशा काम आएगी life में, that will never go waste.
क्या बात है. Namit and Devish, you guys want to add on to this?
Confidence maybe because if you have confidence, आपको अपने आप पे confidence है कि आप ये role कर सकते हो तो आप कर सकते हो. उसके बाद no one is going to stop you. So yeah, confidence.
Okay, Namit?
I would say patience, to be very honest. First, patience. Patience बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप film line में हो, इस media के line में हो, patience is very important. Like it's very, very, very important. And दूसरी चीज़, an actor should never, take his acting ka thing like a job. He should just take it like a game, play it well, and finish it.
Yeah, you should enjoy it and do it.
Yeah. Until unless you don't enjoy what you are doing, it won't come out so good. I mean, like the outcome won't be, as good as it has to be, and you yourself won't be satisfied enough. आपको खुद को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
Yeah.
क्या बात है. I mean, all of you guys have been so profound in your answers. I mean, people would hardly expect people our age to answer with that kind of depth about knowledge and whatever you guys have told us. So thank you so much for sharing that insight. I am sure that through all your experiences, and we are living vividly through your experiences, and we will understand that कैसे होता है सब कुछ. So for all of us watching here, I think we have a lot to learn. There's patience, perseverance, confidence, and observation, and a lot more. So thank you so much to the
Never
entire
giving
panel. Yes, never giving up. And even Ayush said that it takes a lot of patience because वो line इतनी बड़ी होती है, so you have to like few answers and you get all the gist of how it is for an actor, especially at the age bracket that we are in. So अभी I want to get to a few quirky questions. मुझे ये जानना है कि सेट पे सबसे ज्यादा किसने परेशान किया?
Obviously, the
हमारे
guys,
producer ma'am को बुला सकते हैं?
ये तीनों boys इतना परेशान करते हैं. The craziness, the energy these guys have, it's never ending. Look at their faces.
Ayush is like okay, so I think that
I'll tell you
मैंने बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं
I'll
किया.
tell you one incident. कितने मस्ती हो रहे ये लोग. What happened was the guys were in one room and the girls were in one room. So रात को इनके जो ceiling है उसपे जूते के marks थे, okay, footprints literally. And I observed it. मैंने ये कहाँ से आ गया? तो मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं, but हो गया कुछ. And next day ये लोग आते हैं हमारे रूम में and they are like, पता नहीं रात को थप आवाज आ रही थी, जूते के निशान है ऊपर, and पूरा डरा दिया स्टोरी बना के, okay. And मैं खुशी को देख के बोल रही हूँ कि अभी हम अकेले नहीं रह सकते, हमें कोई चाहिए साथ में. पूरा डरा दिया, पूरा स्टोरी मेरा. एंड लास्ट में पता चलता है वो खुद ही उन्होंने जूतों से वैसे किया था. और जो डराया था,
मस्ती खोरें को रूम में लॉक भी किया गया है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली I'll tell you something. वहाँ पे जो lizards थी वो रात से बहुत जोर से आवाज करती है और मैं और देवेश जैसी सुनने वाले थे तो हमारा तो ऐसे लग रहा ये क्या हुआ. तो वहीं से हमारा प्लान बना कि let's do something. कुछ करते और डराते हैं सबको और हमने सेट पे सबको ये बात बताई और सबको डरा दिया.
देवेश म्यूट
है तू. देवेश म्यूट
बन चुकी है.
पूरा यूनिट डरा हुआ था. प्रोड्यूसर मैम रूम में, डायरेक्टर रूम में, पूरा यूनिट आके देख रहे हैं क्या हुआ. एंड में हमने बताया कि हमने किया था.
And these guys used to prank every time. मतलब जो भी सेट पे प्रैंक हो रहा है ना, हमें पता है बॉयज ने किया है.
So actually हुआ क्या था कि मुझे, देवेश को और आयुष को एक मच्छर था, पूरे रूम में एक मच्छर था और बहुत काटा था. मुझे काटा था, आयुष को काटा, देवेश को काटा और ऊपर वहां सीलिंग पे बैठा हुआ। मैं बोला अब नहीं छोड़ूंगा। मैंने जूता उठाया और ऊपर को मार दिया, इट डाइड। एंड उसके बाद मैंने मतलब थोड़ा और आगे मैंने देखा और कुछ कीड़े जैसा दिख रहा था, मारा नहीं, वो कीड़ा नहीं है, वहां से पेंट निकला हुआ है, समथिंग लाइक दैट। बोला ये 2 निशान बन गए, और 2 बना देता हूँ। सबको बोलेंगे यहाँ पे कोई चल रहा था रात को, दबदब आवाज है। और हम लोगों ने ये पूरा प्रैंक किया और जो हाइप किया है, नेक्स्ट डे सुबह एकदम नींद वाली एक्टिंग की कर रात को सोए नहीं, डर गए थे कि ये सब हो गया। सोचा आप भी कहाँ जगह आप बेचारे इतना काम करते हो, सो रहे होंगे, ये वो इतना ज्यादा हाइप कर दिया। एंड तक मतलब जिस दिन रापा पार्टी हुआ था उस दिन सबको उड़ाया। एक्चुअली ये क्या है, वो मक्खी बैठी था, मच्छर बैठा था, उसको मारा था मैंने चिमटी से, और कुछ नहीं है।
I mean, I was literally scared. Who walks on the ceiling?
हाँ, और उस चीज के लिए करिश्मा मैम ने मुझे और देवेश को रूम में लॉक कर दिया।
हमने इतना हाइप किया था कि मॉर्निंग में जब वेकअप कॉल आया तो हमने डोर खोलने से पहले क्या किया, मैं, नमित और आयुष चिपक के सो गए कि हम लोग इतना डर गए थे कि रात को अलग अलग बेड पे भी नहीं सोए। एंड एवरीवन वाज लाइक ठीक है, हुआ होगा कुछ।
You see the mehnat behind the story.
That's crazy, you guys. You guys went to such an extent to prank all of these people, and you have completely hassled these 2 beautiful women and taken their beauty sleep away from them for no reason at all. That is very notorious of you guys.
Not just that, prank तो बहुत सारे किए हैं। जब हम लोग रोड ट्रिप पूरा शूट कर रहे थे, हम लोग सागर सर की कार में घूम रहे थे रोड ट्रिप पे, जैसे ही लास्ट शॉट हमने कट सुना, पैकअप सुना ना, हम लोग गाड़ी लेके निकल गए। मैं, देवेश, आयुष, साक्षी, खुशी, we took the car and we left. Everyone's finding where we are, और वहाँ पे कुछ जगह पे नेटवर्क नहीं मिलता, तो हमने उसका फायदा उठाया, थोड़ी देर के लिए नो नेटवर्क एरिया में चले गए और वहाँ पे कार पार्क करके म्यूजिक सुन रहे हैं हम लोग, दम 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 दम, मजा आ रहा है। और फिर हम लोग वहाँ से कमर्शियल बीच में घूमने चले गए। फिर इनको बताया वो हम थोड़ा घूमने गए थे, थक गए थे तो चिल करने गए। और जो सेट पे प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, डीओपी, एवरीवन, करिश्मा मैम, सेजल दी, देन सागर सर, एवरीवन, हम लोग को इतना डांट, मतलब करिश्मा मैम और सागर सर बहुत रेयरली डांटेंगे, और डांटेंगे उनका ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, ये बहुत गलत बात है ये, लेकिन सर उस दिन ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए था, वो वाले उसमें आ गए थे, तब हम लोग को पता चला ये कितना ज्यादा हो गया।
और पता नहीं कैरेक्टर का क्या ट्रीट था, पर मेरा पर्सनल ट्रीट है कि मैं कहीं पे भी सो सकती हूँ, मैं गाड़ी में सो सकती हूँ, मैं कहीं पे भी सो सकती हूँ। तो मैं एक बार सो गई थी और ये लोग इतने बुरे हैं, जो हमारे कैमरा पर्सन है, उन्होंने आके, मैं सो गई मुंह खोल के, एंड उन्होंने मेरे मुंह में पानी भर दिया था, और मुंह में पानी भर दिया और सब शूट कर रहे हैं आराम से बैठ के। फिर लास्ट डे पे भी प्रैंक किया था, मेरे को बोला गया था कुछ सीन में कुछ करना था मुझे, ठीक है, नो स्पॉयलर्स, #नो स्पॉइलर। मैं कुछ कर रही थी और पूरी यूनिट गायब हो गई। फिर थोड़ी देर बाद मैं मुड़ी एंड एवरीबॉडी, आई सॉ एवरीबॉडी एंटरिंग विद कैमरा, जिससे सब ऐसे लेके खड़े हैं और सब रिएक्शन कैप्चर कर रहे हैं। तो इस लेवल पे ये लोग प्रैंक करते आ रहे हैं।
देख, जितने प्रैंक करते हैं ना उतने स्वीट भी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक दिन मैं बीच पे गया था, ये लोग बहुत थके हुए थे, मैं इनके लिए सारा सामान लेके आया, इनको जूस चाहिए था, ये वो सब। मैं बोल रहा था ना साक्षी,
I miss that pizza, bro.
We were actually having some chapati and some bhaji, so we were like, अरे बहुत थक गए, and नमित आता है।
Basically, हाँ, हम लोग एकदम मतलब southeast part of the Goa. We were in a beach resort जहाँ पे there were no Domino's or burgers और यहाँ वो अच्छा खाना, I mean non-veg होता था, बहुत अच्छा होता था, but like जो पिज्जा, पास्ता, ये वो इटालियन, थोड़ा कॉन्टिनेंटल, ये सब नहीं होता था। तो मैं जहाँ पे गया था ना, वहाँ पे there was this very good pizza joint. I was like यार, ये लोग इतने दिन से हम लोग सिर्फ रोटी सब्जी ये सब ही ठूस रहे हैं, आज पिज्जा ले आ रहा हूँ। I got some pizza smacked and वो लोग मतलब वहाँ पे बैठ के मस्त रोटी तोड़ रहे हैं, ऐसे वही उदास सा चेहरा, वही खा रहे। मैं बोला गाइस क्या कर रहे हो, ये सब क्या कर रहे हो यार, पिज्जा का बंदे बोले इतना चिल्लाने लगे ये लोग, इतना ज्यादा। बोला पिज्जा ठंडा हो रहा है, चिल्लाओ मत, खाओ पहले।
क्या बात है, that is so heartwarming to hear। इतने मजे किए आपने सेट पे, इतना अच्छा खाना खाया, साथ में रोटियां भी खाई, अपना रेगुलर खाना भी खाया,
गालियां भी खाई,
गालियां भी खाई,
बहुत सारी
रूम ने आपके जूते खाए, मतलब
और मेरा काफी स्पेशली ये था कि लोग जो भी लेके आते थे उसमें से कैन यू हैव चॉकलेट, हमें कैन यू गिव अ
खुशी ने हम तीनों लड़कों को इतना परेशान किया है।
Will enact that.
3, 2, 1 अच्छा है क्या फॉर एग्जाम्पल अच्छा ठीक है, रूम में हमारा जैसे बिग बॉस में लग्जरी बजट आता था वैसे हम बॉयज के रूम में लग्जरी बजट आता था।
रोज रेड बुल्स है, सब कुछ है। एंड अच्छा मैंने पूछा ये कोई पिएगा, नहीं ठीक है तो मैं मेरे लिए ले लेता हूँ। खुशी हम लोग को इतना परेशान करती थी, वहां पे ना बोलेगी और सेट पे जाके हमारी चीजें भी खा लेती थी। तो इतना परेशान किया खुशी ने जिसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं है।
हर चीज, ये पेपर जूस है, पेपर सब खाली कर देती थी मैं।
So the girls have equally troubled you boys, huh? That means on this.
No, not equally. You can't use the word equally. Not at all. Hello.
अच्छा.
Guys, pizza खाओगे क्या?
We actually reshooted that to capture our reaction. ना तभी when he got us pizza, हमने वापस से पूरा scene किया just to capture our reaction.
ये तभी का रिएक्शन था, अभी नहीं आएगा because अभी सब चीट नहीं कर रहे।
Now we can't.
Understandable. Now you guys are very conscious and I think कि अभी shoot तो अभी थोड़ा break ही है आपके लिए shoot के लिए, because you must have shooted a lot for a while. So it's good that you guys are on your regime, and deja vu, you guys had to reshoot this reaction as well because Namit was on mute. So वो section हम cut नहीं करेंगे।
मत करना।
अच्छा तो मुझे मालूम है कि Life of Pi is a flip trip. So now I want to see who can say that tongue twister again and again. Let's
Even I can say it. Wait. Even I can flip trip. I said it 10 times. I said it. बस एक ही बार fumble हुआ.
Flip 10 times.
हमने एक ही बार
तो याद करिए flip trip.
So Ayush and Namit, come on, show us your
flip
trip.
Almost.
वो तेरे हेडफोन्स खराब हो, वापस।
Namit, it's your turn now. Come on, show us your tongue twister again.
I'm lost.
Yeah.
I think Namit was so excited to go ahead with it. तीसरे flip trip में ही flip हो गया वो.
Flip हो गया. किसी को तो flip होना पड़ेगा ना.
स्टोरी flip trip पे तो थोड़ा तो Namit flip हो सकता है.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल.
भाई, I mean पूरी कोयले की खान में एक हीरा तो होना चाहिए.
उफ.
हीरे की खान में एक कोयला है.
जो भी हो यूनिक है ना.
मतलब बस बैंटर और पूरा टाइम आप एक्टिंग मोड में ही होते हो सब. कभी प्रैंकिंग की एक्टिंग चलती है, कभी किसी और की एक्टिंग चलती है. So it was amazing hanging out with you guys. Before we part ways, it was an amazing conversation. We probably spent almost an hour getting to know you guys, and I genuinely wish that we get to hang out offline so that we can probably sing with you, dance with you, engage in more questions and answers, have some more fun events. So before you guys go, tell Mittywood Film Festival something from your side, and then tell your fans and your upcoming fans that how much you love them.
30th and 31st of Jan. Okay, so film festivals abhi matlab on floor hona, it's like a very good thing. I mean like a pandemic में भी अगर film festival हो रहा है तो वहाँ जाना necessary है. Because me and Davis, we both are film students from UPG college itself. And about films, like I'm sure you have a lot of documentaries and a lot of feature films and stuff. And to be very honest, Bollywood और Hollywood cinemas में ना जो थिएटर में जो फिल्म जाती है ना, उसमें वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री और वो फीचर फिल्म में जो सारी चीजें होती है ना, बहुत सारी नई और अच्छी चीजें होती है. बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंटल चीजें होती है. वो हर जगह देखने नहीं मिलती एंड हर जगह एक्सपीरियंस करने नहीं मिलती. So I am sure Mithiwood Film Festival is going to be all about these very amazing, crazy, spectacular things, which is, you know, literally gonna hype the whole film ka level to another level, and you know, people here are going to learn a lot, and I'm sure you have a lot of actors and directors on board who are gonna, you know, give all the TED talks, and you know, are gonna add a lot of masala to everyone's minds with, you know, film ka all gyan, and you know, a good gyan. So I'm sure it's going to be great. And to my fans, guys, please stay tuned for Life of Five. And हम लोग ने इसमें बहुत प्यार और मेहनत डाली. I'm sure आप लोग भी इतना सपोर्ट करोगे कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा आगे चला जाएगा. Thank you so much.
30th and 31st जैन को फिल्म फेस्टिवल हो रहा है मिठी भाई का. सबको देखना है. जिसको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट है उसको तो पक्का देखना है. जिसको नहीं इंटरेस्ट है उसको भी देखना है. सब लोग देखो, ऑफलाइन हो ऑनलाइन हो, सब आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी मिठी भाई फिल्म फेस्टिवल के पेज पे. ऑल्सो प्लीज लाइफ ऑफ फाइव हमारा कमिंग सून है, एंड सारी डेट्स आपको जल्दी. हमारा जो पेज है लाइफ ऑफ फाइव का इंस्टाग्राम पेज, प्लीज उसे फॉलो करो. हम सबको सपोर्ट करो. हम सबने बहुत मेहनत की है सीरीज को बनाने में, बहुत क्रेजी स्टफ किया है. जितनी मेहनत हमने की है, जितना प्यार हमने इसको दिया, प्लीज आप सब भी उतना ही प्यार दीजिए. एंड थैंक यू सो मच अभी तक जो सब मेरे फैंस हैं जिन्होंने मुझे प्यार दिया, थैंक यू सो मच. आपके वजह से यू नो जो शेक इट अप मुंबई जो मैंने शो किया था, जो बहुत ज्यादा क्रेजी जो उसका क्राउड था, मेरे यू नो जो मैं स्कूल के बाहर जो मेरे फैंस जो आते थे ऑटोग्राफ लेने, मेरे फ्रेंड्स बोले एक यार फुल फेमस एंड ऑल. तो प्लीज वैसा प्यार कंटिन्यू कीजिए, दिखाते रहिए, एंड प्लीज ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल अटेंड कीजिए. Thank you.
So from my end, to all the lovely people out there, Mithi Bhai has come with their film festival on 30th and 31st of Jan. And talking about film festival, like Namit said, we get to know about films hands-on. And people who are more on a creative side, this is the opportunity where you can, you know, go and you know, experience how documentaries and films and everything is made, how the direction and everything is being approached. And apart from that, I would like to say that it was lovely talking to you all. It was a great experience. And for Life of Five, I think all of us have that one thing in ourselves that we need to identify. And I really hope that Life of Five ke through, you know, we're able to make you relate to us, and you really like whatever efforts you put in Life of Five. Please show love for all the characters and our story, and for the entire crew. And lots of love to all of your.
Thank you, Khushi. So before Devish and Sakshi, you guys go ahead, let me tell you that we have had 1,000 plus registrations from over 75 plus countries. So for
that's
all
a good
the
amount.
people, absolutely, for all of you guys who have come to tell us more about your you know, journeys, you have contributed a lot to that, and we are very, very happy that even you have this small section, a small podium where you are able to, you know, promote your amazing projects. So thank you so much to you guys for making it a success in as many ways as possible. Moving on to what Devish and Sakshi.
Thank you to you too, and thank you to Mithiwood Film Festival, because उनके वजह से हमें हमारा, so this is our first interview. हमने आज Life of Five के interviews चालू किए, and अभी हम continue करेंगे. And so thank you to Mithiwood Film Festival. Guys, 30 and 31st को film festival है. Guys जाओ, enjoy करो, online जाओ, offline जाओ, जैसे भी हो रहा है, enjoy करो. बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा, I'm sure. And यार Life of Five की बात करें, so stay tuned guys. बहुत मजे आने वाले हैं और बहुत enjoy करने वाले हैं. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की है. So I hope आप हमें प्यार करो और आपको चीज़ अच्छी लगे. Thank you.
Yes, so to all the people who are watching, Mithiwood Film Festival is on 30 and 31st Jan. Note it down. You're going to have so much fun. You're going to make some memories. You're going to learn so much. Also, thank you. This was my first interview, and you are such a sweetheart. It was so fun to have a conversation with you. And Life of Five is coming very soon, so stay tuned, and you're going to have fun.
Thank you so much, you guys. It is my absolute pleasure to have been a part of your first interview and to have, you know, kick-started your interview series. I will definitely take a lot of pride in it. I'm sure that you guys are gonna, you know, be blowing up our notifications soon with all the updates and all the amazing work that you guys are doing. So a lot of hearts to you guys. And absolutely, humbled to be in your presence. Let's hope to meet offline, and let's, keep tuned into Mittywood Film Festival and Life of Pi. And good luck to all of you.
One,
Together.
two, and
Three.
three.
Whoa.